Okay, my next project is I have this record player. It's Beckley Cardi 322487, and it works great. We tried a record on it. Everything works perfectly. So what I'm gonna do is wipe it down very gently, get some of this dust off, and see, it just needs a little bit of wiping down with this Lysol. I'm using a Lysol wipe, so I just use these. Got these at Dollar Tree, and look at that. And the lid goes on nice. So we do not have a lot of room. This is a one-bedroom apartment, and we have all these big things that we're selling, and it takes up a lot of room. And so what I do, I was gonna just show you, I put down a white piece of fabric I got from Goodwill, and then under that is like a big white sheet, and then I just have that light, I have that light, and I do my best. All right, that's my tip for the day. Just do your best with what you have.